end of the day, it's been one of the worst amount of rainfall we've had in the last since 2007. Regarding how it affects my business is that we've only been able to drill 25% of the land. We've also got 140 acres flooded.